So I started making these popsicle stick angels. And this is the first one that's all together. She doesn't have her wings yet, but she will soon. So I glued the popsicle sticks together, painted them, and then I embellished. And as you can see, she's got her hair. All right. And I put a little ribbon around her head, and I probably will make a halo. But I will make a tutorial on how I did this. But sometimes, you know, how you just make something and you're like, wow, I cannot believe I made that. And the video really doesn't do justice. This is incredibly cute. Anyway, keep an eye out. I will be doing a tutorial on how I did it. And she will be going out as one of my Emilee smiles. And I will have to do a video on Emilee smiles here so I can share that with you too. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, life is meant to be lived creatively.